Well, well, well. What do we have here? Could it be a sleeping beachgoer? That's a bad call. Especially when you've got yummy food like this. I'm gonna be super careful not to wake you, okay? Okay. Okay, no, this is... Okay, it's... Admittedly, it's a little hard to open with my talons. You really... Okay. I swear, you don't know how good you got it. With your hands being separate from your feet. Ridiculous. Okay, you know what? It seems like you're a heavy sleeper, so I'm just gonna Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're just gonna rip our way inside here. Oh, you got fries in there. Oh, you got fries? What the heck? I can see them. I can smell them. I just got it. Just a little bit. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. What do we got in here? What do we got in here? Paper. Paper. This has that writing stuff on it, right? It's probably like some money thing. You're also weird about your money stuff. Okay. Oh yeah, we got those fries out of there. We got those fries out of there. Oh, look at this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? You're asleep, so of course you aren't. Oh, okay. Okay. And we got the sauce. We got the sauce. We got the sauce. If I could just open it. If I could just, come on. Just, if I could just open the wrapping and then, We got the sauce. I'm locked in. We got the sauce. Oh my god. Okay. What if I took a little fry and give it a little dip in the sauce and I just... Yeah, that's the stuff. It's salty. Oh, it's really salty. What if I just dip a bunch of them in there and then I just... You don't know how good you got it, you know? So much tasty food. So much of it gets thrown away. Please keep throwing it away, because, like, No, I got to eat it. Oh, I swear though. Pretty dumb of you to fall asleep on the beach. With tasty fries like right there. Hey, are we trying to get a tan or something? The sun just felt too nice and you got all sleepy tired? Well, it sucks for you. It's gotta suck for you, boss. I'm living it up, though. I'm living the good life because of this. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. We got more sauce. We got more sauce. This is a different sauce. First one had like a different color on it. Oh, yeah. Okay, I've learned the technique. If I just hook my talon. If I just hook my talon just like that. Bam. Bam. I got the sauce. I got the sauce. I got the sauce. No other harpies are gonna have this. It's all mine. It's all mine. Ugh. Oh, it's so yummy. It's so yummy. You guys, you throw so much of this stuff away. I even like, because I heard some humans talking once, you know? And they were saying, don't feed the seagulls. Don't feed the harpies. They'll get dependent on it. Hey, you're right about that, bestie. I'm hooked. I'm hooked. Apparently there are even like signs and everything about not feeding the harpies, but like I don't know why they put those there. Like usually we're kind of stealing the food. It's not like we can read. I don't know who ever taught me how to read. Or most of us. It's fine by me. Reading seems boring. I've seen like elves and stuff. And they take their book things to the beach. And they just like, they sit down. And they just stare at a paper for hours. Like, hello, the world's out here. You could be eating delicious French fries. But no, you just want to stare at the paper, apparently. It doesn't make any sense to me. Never has. Honestly. Oh, yeah. Oh, there's the stuff. That's the stuff right there. Just like, honestly, even if I could read the signs, it wouldn't stop me from stealing the food. Because it's yummy and I'm hungry, so. You know, the math makes sense, right? That's what I think. If you didn't want a cute harpy to steal your stuff, then don't bring food to the beach. That's a simple solution. That would be pretty mean of you, though. I'm glad you don't do that. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? You're out of fries. What am I supposed to do now? That's like... Wait a second. Hold on. I'm inspecting. Oh. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what is this? Are these nugs? You got the nuggies? Do you got the chicken nuggies? Oh. You got better. You got the chicken tendies. There's literally chicken tendies right here. You stuck on the ground without your wings or nothing, hoarding all the good food. Not anymore. Oh, that's the stuff right there. Oh, we got the chicken tendies. That's all I've ever wanted in life. That's really all you need, to have a good day. You need a nice sunny ledge to perch on and some chicken tenders. I've had the nice sunny ledge part of the day figured out for a while. I've been good on that front, so it was really the only thing I was missing. And it's so tasty. My day's perfect now. It's perfect. Oh. My day is just it's been made perfect. And it's all thanks to you being sleepy and tired on the beach. So thanks. Thank you for your poor decision making. I got all these crumblies on my talons now. It's crazy. What a concept, huh? Oh. It's so worth it though. And it just means I get to lick them up in a bit, so. Really, I'm still winning. Oh, I'm so glad I found you before any other harpies did, you know? Because the others, they're always so mean. They're really mean to me. And aggressive and stuff. Mm-hmm. And they'd probably try and steal your food if you were still awake. I've always been too scared to do that. Because, like, you know, most of the people who are stuck on the ground, they're so much bigger than me. And so it's kind of scary. To even think about going near you when you're awake. Hi. No. Your food's all gone. It's all gone. I'm not gonna. I eat it all, so it's all gone now. So you can't have it back. No. Talon's clean. Talons are clean. I can defend myself. No, you say you're not gonna hurt me or anything. I don't trust it. I tried, because I tried stealing a couple of chips from a lady once, and then she chased me away with a broom. Where did she even get a broom from? No, no. I know your ways. You're just trying to get me to let my guard down, so I'll be easy prey, and then idea. I have one of those. I have an idea. Hello. Please be nice and cool, because I have something that you might want. I do. No, I do. Because, okay? I've been watching all of you ground people for a while. All of you people on the ground. I've been watching you, and I know that when you are getting the tasties from each other, right? You give each other these rocks, and they're shiny rocks, and I think you call them money, and so I keep some shiny rocks just for situations like this. Is this enough to cover it? Do you need? I have more rocks. I have rocks over here too. I have all these rocks. I have all of these rocks, and they could be yours for the low price of not attack harpy. Okay, you'll take them. Okay, so it's a deal then, and so you can, and I'll be on my way. Okay. Whoa. Sorry. Sorry. I just. Okay. know I said I was gonna go, and I'm gonna go, and you can have these. But did you see that harpy just fly past? Did you see her? Did you? Because I saw it. She's like wearing an ankle bracelet or something. Yeah, no, seriously, she was like wearing some kind of like colorful thing on her ankle, and she looks kind of nice. Okay, yeah, you can have the rocks. I'm gonna go shoot my shot. It's gonna go bad, but like I want to do it. Because I mean, wow. Okay, yeah, you enjoy your rocks. Thank you for the meal. If I get the chance, I will steal from you again, and I'll make sure to have more rocks if I do. Goodbye.